Hey everyone, Leroy here with another end of week update. So as you might expect, our case count is continuing to rise coming out of the Thanksgiving holiday here in the U.S. We have seen steadily each day additional cases continue to be added from our employee count. We're over 120 cases positive at this point overall since the beginning of the pandemic. We sent our frontline employees home over the holidays with a test kit to take over the weekend, last weekend, and as the results have been starting to trickle back in, we've been seeing the positive case count rise. So again, I can't say enough about the importance of masks and masking up and social distancing and those simple things that help keep you safe and keep again your family, your colleagues, your loved ones safe. It's really is almost as simple as that in terms of helping to ensure that we can stop the spread. So I continue to ask everybody, please be careful when you're undertaking any activities around individuals you don't know, and even within your own family. Still do your best to keep regular social distance and mask up where appropriate, because there's no better way for us to be able to contain the virus. We still have, unfortunately, many more months ahead of us, even though there's positive news on the vaccine front. We did hear this week that the UK has approved a vaccine, and the US has at least one vaccine, I think, going through FDA approval process within the next week or so. So good news is on the horizon, but even with that, it's still going to be many months before that vaccine gets pushed through across the entire population. So until then, we got to continue to do everything we can following the protocols to keep each other safe. Next Tuesday, Koppers UK is hosting a webinar on how to look after your well-being when you don't have time. All global employees are invited to participate. You should have received an email from Gail Sharp from our Marlow office on that. If you haven't and you're interested, please reach out to someone in Culture and Engagement and they'll get you the link. This interactive webinar is being put on by UK's Balance Time leading communication and well-being champion, Judy Clotton. The focus is going to be on happiness and actually happiness and focus, and how to reduce your stress, which is all something we can certainly relate to and are looking for at this point in time. So thanks to Gail in our Marlow office for spearheading this. Great job, Gail. Looking forward to the webinar. I'd like to take the opportunity to congratulate Brian Stout, who's our most recent graduate from the Advanced Leadership Institute, or TALI, which is an organization here in Pittsburgh focused on the development of African American talent in the region. Brian joins other Koppers graduates, Lance Hyde and Tracy McCormick. Bert Robertson is going to be our next employee going through the program. But Brian, fantastic job. I know it's a grueling process, 7-month process, but you did it. And again, look forward to all your future contributions at Koppers. Congratulations. This week I had the chance to catch up with our board, review our 2021 program, and so we look forward to sharing that with our employee base as we get out into early 2021. Share with you some of our goals for next year and some of our strategic initiatives that we've been actively working on. So stay tuned for that in the near future. In the meantime, it's a focus on just finishing this year strong. So please continue to do everything you can to stay safe, mask up, social distance. We need to get through this pandemic, and we still got some time, unfortunately, before we get there. So please continue to stay safe and stay strong.